In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely eliminate shaky handheld footage when doing vlog shots in DaVinci Resolve, so then it becomes beautifully smooth, just like you're using a gimbal. So if you do a lot of handheld walking shots, you're going to find it's going to be rather shaky unless you're using a gimbal. But if you want to be able to move really quickly and just want to use your phone, then it's the hassle of actually having a gimbal. It can actually be eliminated purely using stabilization in DaVinci Resolve. After a lot of experimentation, I found the best stabilization for walking style shots is the perspective stabilization. If you select the clip like this, make sure you have your inspector tab and then video selected. Then scroll down until you see stabilization. Switch this on. Ensure it says perspective, which is the actual default. And then increase the smooth to something maybe like 75 or 80 around, or 0.8, something like that. And then just hit stabilize. And now if you play the clip, it's beautifully nice and smooth compared to what it's like before. Let's just then switch off stabilization. Here's before, rather shaky, with stabilization, nice and smooth. If we have a much more shaky footage like this one here, very shaky indeed, rather distracting, let's select it, go to stabilization, make sure the smooth is rather high, hit stabilize, and then beautifully nice smooth footage, nice and easy. And I found that the perspective is the best stabilization if we compare it to the other two, in case you're wondering. For example, similarity, let's just try that, hit stabilize. And you can kind of see this rather weird effect in the background, not very nice at all. Let's now try translation, give that a run. And also a rather strange warping effect in the background. So perspective is right on the money. And that's it. Quick tip for DaVinci Resolve. This is available in both the studio and the free edition. Hope it's useful, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe to the channel. Take care and see you soon.